How to approve USDT and Trust Wallet. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to get your account approved and start using USDT as a source of crypto. Now this is very easy. If you go into the trustwallet.com's official site, you should see these methods. So you can either choose to download it via the mobile application or use it on your PC by using an extension. Of course, just simply log in into your account, and in the very first instance, you should be able to receive a demo account. Now, getting approved on USDT is just verifying the whole account that you use. So if this is going to be your dashboard, all you have to do is to head straight into your account settings, and then on your security page, you should be able to see a lot of options. For example, recovery phase, scanner. This is how you verify your account. Now for account verification, what you just need to do is to provide on truthful or legitimate details such as your identification card. You just have to input it right there and follow on-screen prompts and make your password as tight as possible. Now Trust Wallet will send you an email once you're already been approved that your wallet is confirmed. Once your wallet is confirmed, you can go ahead and start using USDT. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to get your account approved on USDT by using Trust Wallet.